6 signs. Number 1, you pause before you click. You don't click a link just because it showed up in your email. If something says, "Your account has been suspended," click here immediately. You stop. You check the sender. You call the bank instead of clicking. That instinct? That's not being behind. That's the single most important tech skill there is, and a lot of 25-year-olds don't have it. Number 2, you've asked AI a question instead of a grandkid. Maybe you asked ChatGPT or Claude how to resize a photo or write a thank you note or figure out a recipe substitution. You didn't wait for someone to have time for you. You just asked. That's not cheating. That's using a tool the way it's meant to be used. Number 3, you back things up before you need to. Photos on the cloud, documents saved in 2 places. You learned this lesson somewhere, maybe the hard way, maybe not. And now you just do it. Number 4, you actually read what you're agreeing to. When an app asks for permission to access your contacts or your location, you pause and ask, "Why does a flashlight app need my location?" Most people just tap allow without thinking. You don't. Number 5, your passwords aren't a joke. You're not using password 123. Whether it's a password manager, a written notebook kept somewhere safe, or a system only you understand, you take it seriously because you understand what's at stake. Number 6, you're willing to look a little foolish to learn something new. You've pushed the wrong button. You've had to ask the same question twice, and you kept going anyway. That willingness to try, fumble, and try again is the actual definition of being tech savvy. It was never about knowing everything, it's about not being afraid to learn. If you counted 3 or more of these, you're doing better than you think. Tech savvy was never about being 25. It's about being careful, curious, and willing to try. If this made you feel a little better about where you stand, hit subscribe. I've got more of these coming. No jargon, no judgment.